Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Good afternoon, viewers. You are. See again with me, Lilis Mariati, host in my friend Febiana Padilla Nugraha. In the Dime Film Talk Show program. It is so happy it can come with you. 10 minutes of course with interesting demise and complete resources in their field.
We have been together for almost 2 years facing the COVID-19 pandemic. There have been a lot of change in society that we are carrying out. The most visible things is related to the learning process that used to be carried out in schools or universities now has to be carried out at home, and of course, there is a change in regulation. This is why this Edison Day Team Talk Show will have an interesting topic, namely education in the pandemic era. How is the behavior change in the school or university environment, especially during this COVID-19 pandemic? Let's see the answer.
Viewers, during this time we added a special guest. This is Miss Damayanti. This is Valentina Silaban. This is Denisa Dewi Anjani. In the title we call an elementary school teacher. This is Putri Damayanti. Good afternoon.
Afternoon.
Let's start with the question for Miss Putri.
Do you agree with the current online learning program?
I don't agree with this online learning program because studying at home is not time discipline. So there more time play than study. Even students now use their cell phone more often to watch YouTube and games, and also postpone texts that are needed given.
In your opinion, how do you work at home today, which is different from studying at school?
I think in the implementation of online learning, I still not effective because there are still many obstacles, including the lack of knowledge felt by parents in accompanying the children study, then the internet network, which is something not good, maybe because it's the erratic weather. They are still many parents who do not have a cell phone, so that children have difficulty participating in online learning, and also the focus on children daring online learning is disturbed by other activities such as studying at home, studying while watching television.
What do you know about the difficulties parents experience when accompanying their children to study at home?
Maybe on the parent difficulty is that the teacher given to their children.
Okay, I'll read the last question, ma'am. How did you respond to the material that you gave during the online learning process?
The delivery of the material is actually quite clear. Both of the WhatsApp group, the learning video sent me as me teacher, but face-to-face learning is much more effective. Thank you.
We turn to a high school teacher, Miss Denisa Dwi Anjani. Good afternoon, ma'am.
Afternoon.
I am here to read some questions to you. What effort could be made by teacher to overcome students who have problem with learning?
Usually, the teacher to overcome this learning difficult are in four ways. The first is to provide remedial teaching. The second is to provide preparation of material enrichment. The third is to provide motivation to learn and last in develop good attitude and study habit.
How to motivate classrooms to stay committed to learning in the segment?
Actually, when we talk about children who are free to learn, they are the first one. The capital must be committed. He must know what the purpose of his studies.
What is your reason for choosing a profession as teacher?
Teacher is a very noble job that makes me want influence the future. I also want to give the spirit of learning to my students and as a man for me to train myself to be more parent.
How do you motivate students?
Good teacher understand the needs of their students and know ways and tricks to get them excited about learning. The teacher we are smart and have many excitement are not naturally good at teaching.
Furthermore, the last resort person is a student from Langlang Buana University, Valentina Silaban. Good afternoon, sis.
Afternoon.
Here I will read some questions as well as to the previous interviews. For the counseling agency itself, what are the strategies used in the current distance learning situation?
Provides online counseling service that can be used by anyone in give tips and tricks on social media about the institution offers education classes related to mental health.
How to deal with the stress of studying at home, which is sometimes affected by an environment that is less conducive to learning at home?
Looking for fun, hobbies, and activities. Schedule activities and make time for sport.
based on their characteristic. What kind of students are vulnerable to experiencing problem during a pandemic?
Students who have my mature both emotionality and sociality. This will have emphasis and adjustment.
BDR, or study from home, for students is considered a long vacation. As a result, learning is hampered. How is a communicative approach so that students can be productive independently during BDR?
Love modular by students disability in making little rules. Teachers need to more tolerant relate to technology problem, bad connection, power cuts. There is compromise on consequence of the compromise and this now to practice.
Okay, thanks you for the discussion, sis. For viewers, your time with the viewers ends. We don't forget to thank you, Miss Putri. Thanks you, Miss Denisa. Thanks you, Miss Valentina. I have been feeling to attend and take the time to follow this Zoom. Finally, I am Lilis Mariati.
I am Febiana Padilla. Goodbye to listen. Assalamualaikum
warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam.
Thinking of you.